Today, I want to talk about how you can find a video after it's finished and it leaves the queue. So many of you are used to using the video status button to check on your video as it moves through the process from ready to edit all the way through to quality control. Finally, when it's edited, you will find it here, and then eventually it will be marked completed. But you may go back here after a time and look for a video and say, "Oh my goodness, it's not here anymore. What happened?" Videos are not kept here um, forever. They do age off, and so there are other ways you're going to want to look at to find your videos. One of the easiest ways is to use the search function up here. And say I'm looking for a video that had birthday wishes in it. I can type um, the word that I'm looking for, and it's gonna search through, all of the titles. It's gonna show me media that was input into the system, multimedia output, bulk media, content requests, and if there happen to be any companies or people with that name, folders, for example. So it's gonna show me different ways to find my media. Now, I am not finding what I'm looking for right now. So let me try another word. I did this for, there we go. There's one of the videos I see, but oh, look at I put these in a folder. So, luckily, I was smart enough when I created my videos to give them all a folder name so that I could easily find them again. Now, this is the video I was looking for, and it says Sunday night. Unfortunately, it doesn't have the word birthday in it. So that's why I was unable to find it. So if I wanted to be able to find it going forward in that way, I can update the title and add a meaningful word there. So make sure you're doing two things with your videos, giving them good, meaningful titles, and also using the edit folder to assign them to a folder so that they can easily be found. Now, one other place that your asset could be is in the asset library. So if you have placed it here to share it externally, generally there's a couple ways you can find videos here. Let's say I'm looking for something with the name fly in it. Okay, I have not posted my birthday videos here. Um, so that's one way you can find it. You can do the search. You also have your collections here. If you click on this, you will see everything in that collection. If you click on this, you will see everything in that collection. So those are the various ways that you can find a video once it's completed.